Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about the art of illuminating letters. During the Middle Ages, books were very rare and very valuable. Before printing was invented in the 1400s, a copy of a book was made by hand. Could everybody read and write in the Middle Ages? Not many people at this time could read and write. The few that could were wealthy men, priests, or monks. Girls were not taught to read or write at all. The very few who could were usually nuns. What were the books written about? Remember, they were mostly written by monks and priests. Many of the books were written about religion. One book, which was found in most castles, was a copy of the Bible. The Bible was written in Latin. Only the very wealthy could read or understand Latin. Books were beautiful works of art, carefully written and illustrated. Even letters were decorated. This was known as the art of illuminating letters. The word illumination comes from the Latin word illuminare. This means light up or make something stand out. The colours used to illuminate letters were often colours found in nature. Letters were decorated with designs of people, animals, and plants. Once new printing methods had been developed, the art of illuminating letters continued for another 100 years. In the 1500s, however, this art form disappeared. For your hands-on activity, illuminate your own letter by using your paints and colours. Think about how you can make it stand out. Use this letter at the beginning of a poem or story. For more information about this activity and more activities related to castles, please go to handsoneducation.com. Year 2, Castles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!